Do you know ZOBO Drink is also known as Hibiscus tea? Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your healthy ZOBO drink without sugar. These are the most important ingredients you need. That's your orange, your apples, grated ginger, our pineapple peels, our pineapple itself, cloves, our flavors, that's the blueberry, pineapple and strawberry flavor, and our zobo leaves itself. And these are all the ingredients you need. First, you need to rinse your zobo leaves, and then you're going to put it in a bigger pot. Stress on a bigger pot. Yes, you need to boil this in a bigger pot. So we're just going to rinse it and then sieve our zobo leaves inside the pot. Then after that, we're just going to add our pineapple peels inside. Next is our orange. After that, we're going in with our cloves. Then our ginger, that's our grated ginger. Then add a lot of water. Then after that, we're just going to put it on fire. So time for us to mix together. Make sure all our ingredients are properly seated inside. That's the orange, the pineapple peels. We're just going to mix them together. Then after that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. While our zobo leaves is boiling, time for us to blend our pineapple and our other fruits. So bring out your blender and just add your pineapple to it, and then we're just going to blend it until it is very smooth. And that's because I don't have a juicer, but if you have a juicer, it is easier. So after blending it, all you have to do is just to strain it. That separates your chaff from the juice. And that is what this sieve is going to do. And after that, this is what we have. So look at how clean our pineapple juice is. And after that, we're just going to blend our apple. We're going to do the same thing we did to our pineapple to our apple. We're just going to blend it, and after that, we're just going to sieve it to differentiate the chaff from the juice. So this is our apple juice. So now that our zobo leaf is ready, so it has been boiling for about 20 minutes on a medium heat, and it is ready. So all I have to do is just to stir it together, and time for us to sieve. So bring out your sieve and just strain your zobo leaf. That's you differentiate your leaf from the water. And after that, this is what we have. Mind you, this is still not ready. I'm still going to sieve it again until it is clean and dirt free, and also chaff free. So after this, all you have to do is just to add a little bit of water, and also time for us to add our juice. I just poured our pineapple juice, then this is our apple juice, and after that, time for us to add our flavor. That's our pineapple, strawberry, and blackcurrant flavor. Then mix together. Then after that, time for us to serve. I serve this with ice cube, and I will tell you, this is a very healthy drink you need to try. It is so easy to make. And so tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to comment, don't forget to share for everybody, like, subscribe, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next videos.
Bye.